to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise